Hello guys, this is Azhar. In this video, I'm going to teach you about what is job description. Okay, subscribe to this recruitment channel so that whenever I will upload a video, you will get a notification. When companies start looking for a new employee, they want all the candidates which are applying for the role to know each and most of the details which are desired for the job, like the job responsibilities and the qualities which they should have. At the same time, the recruiters which are looking for those candidates, they should also have a good idea before searching for those candidates in order to make things clear for candidates and recruiters. With the inputs of the other employees and the hiring manager, job description is made. Now, what is job description? Job description is a written statement which includes all the responsibilities and other related details of the job. For example, it includes the salary budget, the experience, the educational details, and other details which are required for the job. There are few important things which should be included in the job description. The first and the most important thing is the title of the job. What will be the designation? Whether he will be the senior recruiter, whether he will be the accounts manager, whether he will be the academic operations manager. The second one is the responsibilities of the job. What will be the responsibility? What he will do? What are the things which he must do? For example, recruiter. The job responsibilities of recruiter will be searching the candidates, screening the profiles, talking with the candidates, sending the profiles to the employer. These are the main important responsibilities. This will be on the recruiter. Same like this, you can figure out all the responsibilities which will be on the new hire and add here. You can also mention what will be the salary range. For example, you can mention it is from 5 lakhs to 7 lakhs, that we will give annual salary from 5 lakhs to 7 lakhs. If the budget is higher for the senior role, then you can mention from 20 to 30 lakhs. It depends on the different role to role and company to company. Now, the other point is location. The location is very important, so the candidate will know whether he will be comfortable at traveling to that location or not. These are the few things which are required while making job description, but you can add skills which are required, benefits which the company will give, and the culture of the organization. Subscribe this recruitment channel so whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be notified.